Hello there gentlemen, I'm Kang here, Fine and Country Estate Agency in South Manchester. Hope you're well. Today we're in the much sought after village of Bowden in South Manchester, in Altrincham, looking at this gorgeous property behind me here known as the Baths. Now, Bowden is very much a lifestyle oriented village. You've got a lot of the celebrities and footballers that live here. You've got excellent parks, you've got excellent access to golf clubs, tennis clubs, squash clubs. We're only about 15-20 minutes away from the motorway here as well. Easy to get to the airport and into Trafford Centre and the rest of Manchester as well. So the property itself here is down a private lane, set in just under an acre of beautiful, quiet, south-facing parkland as you can see here today. And then the property itself has been much extended, much improved by the current owners, and today sits proudly as a 6-bedroom property. Got multiple reception rooms, fantastic glass-fronted entrance hall. You've got a double garage. My favourite area is the recreational area. You've got a sauna, you've got a steam bath, you've got a jacuzzi and a swimming pool as well. The main house, as you can see here, it's really fantastic. You've got lots of light coming through, really modern in areas. You've got ground floor bedrooms, you've got first floor bedrooms as well. But here it's all about the lifestyle, the gardens, the balconies, there's a tree house, lots of outside space. There's even a hobbit hut down there. You could literally pot around in this garden for hours on end. And today we're going to take a look around. Okay ladies and gentlemen, well thank you very much for watching this video. I'm sure you'll agree, an absolute architectural masterpiece actually. The way it's been laid out, the way it's been extended, all the leisure areas, the locality is amazing here. But for me, look at this. We're on a cold winter's day, the sun's rising behind the trees, you've got a full acre of land just to do whatever you want. It's an absolute beautiful lifestyle property. So if you'd like to learn more about this house or want to arrange a viewing, give me a call or drop me an email on the details you're about to see on your screen, and hopefully I'll speak to you soon.